Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert PDF files into Word documents. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more quick and helpful tech tips. To get started, search iLovePDF.com in your browser. Once the site loads, select the PDF to Word option, upload your PDF file, and click Convert to Word. After a few moments, your Word document will be ready to download. And voila! Your PDF file is now a Word document. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech tips from NextGen Tutorials. See you in the next video.